In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Deriv debot platform so that you can automate your strategies. So if you are someone who is trading on Deriv and you are already trading options or accumulators or multipliers, you can use this debot platform so that you can automate those strategies. If you are not trading on Deriv, you need to join Deriv now, because Deriv is one of the best brokers and they've been there for 25 plus years. And it's the same broker that I use. So I will leave a link in the description. If you want to join a Deriv, you need to click that link and create your account. So the first thing that you need to know about this platform is overall what the platform is all about, right? So what you are going to see right here on the left right here is you have where it says quick strategy, right? So where it says quick strategy, if you click right there, you are going to see templates of strategies that have already been created, right? So if I'm going to create, let's say, choose on options, if I choose, let's say, martingale strategy, right? We all know what the martingale strategy does. It increases the stake whenever we lose, right? So let's say we choose right here the martingale, and we are going to see this is all what we need to set right here. And then if I click load right here, the martingale system is going to be loaded here on the middle. On the middle right here, what you see here is what is called a workplace. So this is where you are going to be able to drag and put these blocks wherever you want, right? So these blocks, you can drag them and put them wherever you want. You can see that I'm zooming in and out right here by scrolling the middle wheel of my mouse, or you can use this zoom in and out buttons right here, right? So these blocks right here is the blocks of code that you are building, right? So this is called the workplace, right? So here where we are running right here, this is where you see the summary of the trades that we are running, right? So for example, if the bot is running right here, we are going to see the summary of what the bot is doing right here. On transactions, you are going to see all the transactions that the bot have gotten into right here, right? And then on journal, you are going to see also each and everything that the bot is doing. So if it buys, it's going to be written here on the journal right here. You can also download the journal later so that you can analyze, right? You can also view this in detail of what the bot have been doing, right? So this is a pre-built bot that you get right here. But what if you want to build the bot yourself, right? So here you have so we can stop this and then we can reset, right? Here we have what is called the blocks right here. On the blocks right here, there's the few blocks that you need to understand. First is the trade parameters. So if you go to blocks menu, if you select trade parameters, right, you are going to get all the explanation that you are going to need right here. For example, if I click here, it's going to tell you what this block is all about. And if I click learn more, you are going to be able to read exactly what this block is all about and how to use this. But basically the trade parameters is where you define the parameters of your contract, like what is the market that you want to trade, and what is the contract types. Do you want to trade buy, or do you want to trade rise or fall, or do you want to trade like over and under, right? And then we have what is called the purchase conditions. This is where you tell your bot this have to happen, and then if this happens, this is like your conditional blocks, like if this happens buy, if this happens sell, right? And then we have the sell conditions also. You can also put that. It's almost the same as the purchase conditions. And then we have the restart. The restart is basically where you tell the bot if this happens stop, or if this happens buy again, right? So I will explain this when we insert the example bot that we're about to insert. And then we have the analysis. This is where you select your indicators, your candlesticks, your statistics, your contracts, and then you have utility. We have variables, notifications, time, math, logic, list, loops, and a lot of these things. So most of you might not be coders right now, but one tip that I want to tell you is if you want to learn more about how to build these robots, you can come to this website called Scratch. This website here gives there's a lot of tutorials and a lot of users of this tutorial. This website was created to teach kids how to program using these blocks. So this is the same idea that is happening on the Deriv. So you can drag this and then you can say move 10 steps and then 10. So you can learn from this website and then you can go back and use on the Deriv dbot platform. It's the same theory. And this website right here, there's tons and tons of tutorials on how to use this website right here. So we go back to our Deriv tutorial right here. So the other thing that you can do is, if you have your Deriv bot already, or you want to get a Deriv bot which was built by someone, you can get it and you can come here where it says dashboard, and then you can import a bot from your computer. So for example, if I click here on the computer, if I go to select on my computer, and then if I select the over and under profit recover bot, this is a bot that we built, right? So you can see everything about the bot right here. And then you can click open, right? Once you click open, the bot has been successfully added right here. So let me show you how this bot works. The other thing that you can get right here is you can go to the chat, or you can also go to the tutorial, right? So the chat is where you can analyze. So let's say you are building or you are watching your bot, you can also, the bot is running, you can also see on the chat what is happening. The tutorial is where you can get a lot of tutorials on how to use this dbot platform. You can also have the FAQs and then quick strategy guides on all the quick strategies that I showed you. You can come here and see how all these strategies work. Okay, so as you can see now, the bot is already running, and as you can see, it's making a little bit of profit right here. Now, this bot was built with a strategy that tries to recover losses after if we get the losses, right? But it doesn't do that with martingale. It doesn't multiply your stake. All it does is it tries to change the prediction number. If you want to get this bot, all you have to do is go ahead and create your Deriv account right now. And then once you do that, you go to our mentorship platform. I'll leave a link also in the description, and you can get this bot and more other bots completely free. So just go to the downloads page, and then you are going to get this bot and other bots for free. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.